Usually, you see, we make distinction, secular education and spirituality. Yes, secular education is wonderful, very important. But in secular education field, we should include some teaching or some lesson about, usually I call secular ethics. Not talking about next life, not talking about God or heaven like that, but simply how to create happy life, healthy body. Some of these sort of emotions, some are very harmful, some are very, very helpful. So education make distinction among our emotion. This is entirely based on scientific finding and common sense and common experience. That we can do. I'm now some even institution in this country now really showing genuine interest, not only interest, they're already committed, try to make a curriculum about secular ethics. In this country, when we use secular, it's okay. India's constitution itself very much based on secular. In the West, the secular, the very word of secular, you see, people consider something negative towards religion, disrespect religion. During French Revolution and the Bolshevik Revolution, you see, when they use the secular is something a little bit negative towards religion. I think actually not religion. Religion means practice of compassion. That's a religion. Nobody can against that. Even animals appreciate love, compassion. So these, also the because revolutions are, and these sort of occasions, some kind of tendency to against religion is religious institution. Some of these religious institutions, I think, very much sort of link with the feudal system. So when they against the feudal system, the institution which helping the feudal sort of feudal system, then you have to against that kind of institution. I'm a Buddhist monk. If such case happen, I will join them to against. Even I think some of Buddhist institution, I will against. Certainly. So therefore, so in the West, secular means something negative. So I usually use the word universal value. In this country, secular, no problem. According to Indian understanding, secular means respect all religion and also respect the non-believer. That's a very, I think, wonderful sort of concept. Now today's world, out of 7 billion human beings, about 1 billion human beings are non-believer. These also human brothers, sisters. We must include these people. So therefore, I think India's understanding about secular is, I think, very relevant and very fit to this reality. So the compassion or love, I think whole our life very much depend on affection or compassion. So compassion is, I think, the basis of our survival. It's not just a religious matter. So therefore, through education, we should have more awareness about this inner value. With inner value, mainly a sense of concern of others' well-being. That is compassion. once you have the sense of well-being or sense of well-being of others or sense of concern of others' well-being there, then all your professions, different profession, you see, that direction, all your profession can be more compassionate act. That I think through education. And also family also have very important role, and particularly mother's role. So therefore, now you, the generation of 21st century, now you should think more, you see, about this inner value. And your education and the inner value must combine. And chancellors, vice chancellor, and the concerned sort of people, please pay more attention about that, so that the generation of 21st century can be more compassionate, more peaceful. So firstly, you yourself should develop inner peace on the basis of compassion. That brings your friend, and also that brings good health. So, friendship entirely based on trust. Trust based on sense of concern of their well-being, then trust comes. So, through these sort of practice, firstly, your own health improve. You get more friend. As a young girl, eventually you may find a nice, nice boyfriend. And boys will get a nice girlfriend. Money alone. Money, you may find some partner. But sometimes I jokingly telling, marriage is the preparation of divorce. Few days, few weeks, excited. And then gradually, you see, start a quarrel, and then finally divorce. So therefore, the friendship very much based on warm-heartedness, compassionate mind. So then one family, more compassionate family, one family, 10 family, 100 family, 1,000 family, that means society. So through that way, we can change the society, more compassionate society. Then through that way, this country make that kind of the goal, make attempt, and other country also, other continent also. Then eventually, we can develop compassionate world. That should be our goal. My life now, I will not see these things, but you can see. So please keep your enthusiasm. Enthusiasm very much based on, self-confidence. Self-confidence very much based on honest, truthful. Truthful, honest, very much based on warm-heartedness. Clear? So warm-heartedness really brings, because beside other thing, you see, it also the source of willpower and determination. My own case, no matter how difficult it is, I always believe value of compassion. And I carry my work mainly to that sort of motivation. So I always say, carry my life transparent, honest, truthful. So therefore, that really acting like basis of our determination, our willpower. So please, you should think future, not past sort of century, a lot of problem. So you can change that kind of unhealthy society. You can create better society, healthier society. So with that kind of vision, with that kind of confidence, it automatically brings you optimism and determined, work hard. Okay. So that's sort of my talk. Okay, thank you.